Everyone. Today we are going to look at a sentiment indicator based on derivatives data, that is future OI divided by the index. So to understand this, first let me go to a normal open interest chart. So we all know that a rising OI with the rising price, which is long build up, is a good sign. So OI goes up as well as goes down, but whenever we see OI at extreme levels in any symbol, it may precede any major reversal. Okay, so let me just draw a horizontal line here. So this is a chart of Nifty futures with 1 month open interest plotted here. So as you can see here, one peak had been formed, which had resulted into a bearish reversal, and a similar thing has also occurred on the opposite side, that has caused a bullish reversal. So these are peaks in OI, which means there has been a lot of positions that have been added on one side, which now start when they start get unwinding or covered, the market reverses sharply and a new trend is emerged. Now this sentiment indicator, what it does is, this future OI over index, this is nothing but the open interest of all future contracts divided by the value of a constant index. So now first I have taken future open interest. Now this is the raw number of the whatever the future open interest is going on in the market. So I have made this into a log scale. So as you can see, whenever the open interest gets added and on a market level, this indicator keeps on making new highs. So this itself might not tell you much because it always finds a new range. But when you divide this whole thing by a constant number, not a constant number, but a constant price index that is wide enough for the market. So in this case, we have done it with the BSE 100 index. Then you will see that the data is quite normalized. So let me go back to the history to show you what I am mean to say is, yeah. So now you can see that the data is confined to a range, and this light orange line that is marked at, I don't know if it's visible, let me make it a little darker. Yeah, okay. So I've made the application into dark mode. So now if you can see, this is the peak made in 2008 around the level of 1700. So the number of if we divided the whole future open interest at that point with the value of BSE 100 index at that point, we would have gotten the value of 1700. Now you can see this level has been hit very less number of times, once here and now and then there. This is here. This is somewhere in around January 2018, just before this peak was formed. And it did see a small reversal here, even if it got bottomed again and started rallying. So now what I wanted to share was, it has again reached that level here. First it got touched on 25th of January, but from there on again it some unwinding was there on the January expiry, and now again as of yesterday, that is 15th of February, it has again made the high of 1700. So today's figure will be updated only once we get the data, EOD data or the Bhav copy from NSE. But on this chart, if you just zoom out and try to take a perspective, let me do some markings. If you will plainly see such peaks, let me change the color. and now here. So we are at a very historically very important level in terms of if we look at the future OI divided by the index. So this is the key observation I wanted to share, that many important reversals have occurred. So we have this data from since when futures started, that is from 2002. So this is only the third or the fourth time that this data is hitting this particular level. So yeah. So thanks for watching everyone.